Every time new technology rises, certain communities get pushed out. It's not a glitch, it's a pattern. Walk with me. I was doing research for my tending series when I came across a talk that Shelton McElwain gave at Duke University. He is a scholar and the author of the book Black Software, which traces Black people's connection to the internet through history. He made an observation that every time a major technology rises in adoption, the culture is running counter to equity and inclusion at the same time. We talk about the digital divide as if it's a gap, as if some people just didn't show up at the right time to get on the bus. And that's not what happened. When the internet was being privatized in the 1990s, communities were already there building. Then the infrastructure was sold, access was priced, and they were effectively designed out of a space they helped to create. Not a gap, but more so a displacement. I grew up going to the library in order to get access to the internet before my family had a dial-up connection. And I didn't think about the weight of that and what that really meant. Who owned the internet and who really set the prices? That wasn't on my mind. I was just doing my homework and customizing my MySpace page. But when I think about my niece and nephews who are growing up in the age of AI, I wonder if they will think about AI the way we think about the internet. We, as in millennials and maybe a generation after. This post is a part of my tending series where I've been building an argument that marginalized communities have always had a relationship with technology, long before Silicon Valley had really anything to say about it. What McElwain's observation added was the political layer. The moment of adoption is also a moment of regression, and we are in that moment right now. The internet and AI are not two separate stories. They're the same, being told twice. And if we don't name the pattern, we'll repeat it. The question isn't whether or not the technology can be equitable. The question is whether the people building it find equity, inclusion, and that kind of thought necessary and valuable enough to bake it into the technology and how they're building it. It's not a new problem. It's an old problem wearing a new interface. How should we solve it?